Alright guys, girls, let's see, here's our math that we're going to be doing this week. It's going to be counting money. In this activity, you have 30 task cards with coins and bills on it, all with different amounts that add up to $4. You'll count the coins and place the answer on the money task card answer sheet. So when you open up the Google Classroom, what you're going to do, you're going to click on the task card. That's going to come up. You'll see number 1, and you're going to count the coins. As you see, there's 3 quarters, 1 dime, a nickel, and a penny. So it's 25, 50, 75, 85, 90, 91. Okay? So now we got the answer on that. That's 91 cents that's shown there. We're going to go over to or open up our money task card answer sheet, and we'll put our answer on 91. Okay? So, and each time that you do one task card, you'll put your answer in each task card listed here until you're completed. And once you're completed, you're going to go to the Submit button in the Google Classroom. Click the Submit button, and that'll turn in your work. If you have any questions or concerns, or something doesn't work right, you can contact me. I'm available from 9 a.m. to 3, sometimes a little after. Let's see, you got my cell phone number, you have my email, or you can even text me. So if you have any problems, you guys need to let me know. Or if you have any questions, we can go over the lesson. Even if it's not on a video class day, we can still go. I'm going to have you go over the lesson with you as well. So also ask mom and dad if they have some coins available that you can use in some of the bills. Well, I think you guys are doing really great. Stay safe out there, and talk to you soon.